All right, so today's adventures travels takes us to Rudesheim am Rhein. This is about 30 minutes outside of Wiesbaden along the Rhine River. What we're going to do is we're going to take the ring tour. That's going to take us from the town up the gondola. We're going to go see the monument, the temple, a couple other sites as we walk through the forest. Then we're going to also take a ride down to the Rhine River where we're going to catch a boat and head back to where we started. So let's start our adventure. Let's go hit it. Rudesheim am Rhein. Let's go. All right, we are taking the cable car now. We are along the Rhine River, which you can see in the background. And we just bought a, what, $22 ticket, right?
22 euros, yes.
22 euros, probably about $24 or so. That includes this cable car, as well as the boat ride, yes?
There's three modes of transportation. I want to think it's another cart like this.
Right. All right, so the first thing you see when you get off the cable car is the temple, which gives you such an amazing view of the Rhine River and the valley. I mean, look at that. So after the gondola and the temple, then you come to Niederwald Monument up here. Wow. And this too here just gives you an absolutely breathtaking view of the valley. Look at that. So this commemorates the founding of the first German nation state after the victory of the Franco-Persian War. All right, so one of the things that you'll be able to do, it's a walk as you come in. Like I said, as you come off the gondola, and then you get to the temple, you get to the monument, then you start walking through this path here, and it's going to take you about probably 45 minutes or so to get down to station number 3. But along the way, there are a lot of little stops, but it's absolutely beautiful. Today is perfect. We've been in a lot of rain and all that stuff here the past week, so it's kind of nice to get out, see a little bit of sunshine, and experience this beautiful place. All right, so one of the first structures that was built here in this park in 1773 is Hermitage. And this building consisted of a living room, a kitchen, a chapel, and what they said was an old wooden cross. So we're gonna walk down here, see what's left of it. Wow, really not a whole lot left to it. As you come here, you can really see the outline of the building itself, and then you get this direct view out here over the Rhine. All right, so now we're coming up onto the Russell Ruins. Now I'm going to try to stick my my phone all the way up here as far as I can go. Ready? I'm going to go in the window. that staircase. Oh, don't drop the phone.
Oh, that was
Oh, sorry. Go ahead of me. Whoa. Oh, cool. How do we stumble onto this thing? And it's not on the map. Oh, look at it, got it all right here. Yeah. I wish we could see it more. And one of the things we discovered walking through here is that several of these trees are now seen as protected national monuments here within the park. Don't know which ones. Maybe is it the blue ones?
protected national.
I said something that I call the trees a protected national monument, and Carrie looked at me like I was an idiot. So please say.
I was wrong. You were right.
All right, so we go from the gondola now to a chairlift, go down to where we're going to catch the boat to go up or down, or up the Rhine River, down the Rhine River, whatever it is, we are going on it. That was a great trip to the forest, though. Takes you about, from the gondola to this chairlift, about an hour.
Yeah,
you know?
A lot of people walk faster. I walk slow, and you like to take a lot of pictures, so it took us about an hour and 15, I think.
Yeah, because there's probably 4 different good spots, you know, that you're gonna want to take a look at. So give yourself a good hour to go ahead and enjoy the forest. Wow.
2 castles across
There, and then you get a great picture of this little town coming in. Definitely a different perspective from coming up the gondola to this side. Yeah. So coming off that cable car, after we just went through the park, we come in here, and this is what really feels like Germany. This is what I thought Germany would look like. So we're going to explore this little part of the town before we head on our boat to going up the Rhine River back to where we started. We're going to go into this church here, which was built back in 1325, I think it is. Wow. You want to check that out then? Must be a memorial, yeah, of those lost in the war from this town, I guess. That's kind of nice, huh? Wow. This is the boat that we're taking upriver to go back to where we started from. So I am definitely going outside, up top. So now we are heading up the Rhine River. I mean, this is just absolute beautiful countryside. I mean, just the vineyards up on the top there. I mean, they just wrap around.
In the Bingen region, every Dryad knows the legend of Bishop Hatto and the Mouse Tower, which you can see on the island to the right. The story goes that, despite a great famine, the bishop did not open his overflowing granaries and even set fire to them. Mice then came running out of the silos in their hundreds and thousands, chased Hatto to the tower and devoured him alive.
That's amazing. It's very cool.
I'm just outside the Brunsberg Castle, which is closed now. But from what the information I've gathered, this might have been one of the first stone castles that was along the Rhine Gorge. Now, this is part of the UNESCO. It's one of the heritage sites. So if you're able to come here when it's open, I would highly encourage it. But right now, everything is closed up. Kind of a bummer, but it's a beautiful castle. Well, if you want to go around town and not walk, take one of these babies. Too crowded for me. No. Now, just like it was on the other side when we got off the ski lift portion of it, you know, this really gives me a great feeling of what I thought Germany was going to look like. So pretty cool walking the streets here in Rudesheim am Rhein and checking things out. So this is a lot of fun. All right, so I'm walking down one of the most iconic streets here in Gasse, the street, and all kinds of different shops and stores and all of that. So if you are coming in here, obviously this is one of the streets you're going to want to go down. So pretty cool, a lot of stuff to see.
Original Rudesheimer Kaffeetasse, die haben 3 Stück Zucker und die Tasse ist warm, Bakurente. 36% Alkohol, 4 Ciel. Das ist auch warm.
6%?
Yeah.
That's warm too? Ah.
So, wir machen hier. Jetzt kommt die Blauflamme, die schmeckt ein bisschen süß. Jetzt kommt Kaffee.
Okay. Now the coffee. Voila. Great. I didn't know that they made it in front of you, so that was kind of a cool experience. So let's give it a taste. Oh, that's hot. Oh my gosh. You know, it has little chocolate shavings on top, the whipped cream, the coffee, the Ausbach, a brandy, which is local here. What a great experience. What a great way to end the day. So, all right, well, I'm going to finish my coffee. So I hope you enjoyed our time around Rudesheim am Rhein today. We had a great tour. So I want you to subscribe to our channel. And as always, keep dreaming and travel safe.